I received these unicorn magnetic tiles with stairs as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing them and showing everything that comes included. Right away, you can tell this set is super colorful and fun, especially if you have kids that love unicorns or imaginative play. As I'm opening the box, you can see that there are a variety of different pieces, not just your standard magnetic tiles, but also some really cute themed pieces that make this set stand out. One of the main features of this set is the unicorn themed design, which adds a fun twist to classic magnetic toys. You get different shapes and sizes of tiles, and they all connect using built-in magnets, so they easily snap together when building. In the video, I'm showing each piece up close so you can see the colors, shapes, and details. There's also a stair piece included, which is really cool because it lets kids build more interactive structures instead of just flat builds or simple shapes. The magnets on the tiles themselves are very strong and hold everything together really well while building. One thing I really like is that the unicorn pieces have a slightly lighter magnet, so if your kid wants to move them around, they won't end up knocking down their entire build. That's actually a really thoughtful design because it keeps the structure intact while still letting kids play with the characters freely. I also like how smooth the edges are. Everything feels well made and safe for little hands. This is the kind of toy that encourages creative building and imaginative play so kids can make different designs over and over again. It's especially fun with the unicorn theme because you can create little scenes, towers, or play setups using the stairs and tiles. In the video, I'm mainly focusing on showing what comes in the set so you can get a good idea of everything included right out of the box. Overall, this looks like a really fun and engaging set, colorful, interactive, and great for creativity, especially for kids who love unicorns and building toys.